In today's video, we're talking about how to make money with YouTube Shorts. Now, I'm sure you may have seen some of these videos on your YouTube feed. The amount of views that they're getting is ridiculous. I mean, my son was showing me some of these funny cat memes the other day, and the number of views that, you can see on the, I mean, look at this up here. Where's it gone? 3 million views from this really short video 6 months ago. And let me just get rid of the word shorts and I'll show you this, because this is even more insane. If I type in funny cat memes, we can see on here 135,000 people a month are searching online for the word funny cat memes. It's ridiculous. I mean, I don't know who these people are, but there's 135,000 of them searching for funny cat memes. Now, when people are looking for something in particular, you can make money from this. We can earn money from YouTube, we can earn money from merch, affiliate marketing, and, many more formats. Now, this channel here, it's called Funny Cats, that's it. Now, over on this channel here, it's all private, but if I click on About, I just want to show you this. So I'll click on About. And you can see here, this channel started on the 16th of July 2021. So that's a little over, 8 months ago. Now, if I come on to this, look at this down here, 33 million views on this channel. What are they uploading? Are they spending hours creating videos to get 33 million views? No, they're absolutely not. If I click on videos, I'll show you the videos that they're uploading. Come down here, look, 24 seconds, 40 seconds, 24, 25. These videos are getting a hell of a lot of views. And here's a cool thing. A lot of them, well, if you go through this channel here, none of the videos are their own. So what are they doing? Well, they're using a mix of Creative Commons videos, and then they're also going on TikTok and Instagram and downloading videos and putting them into the, these little shorts here and uploading them onto YouTube. Now, you can go ahead and find hundreds of these channels. In fact, if I come over here onto Social Blade, I'll share another one with you. This one here is called, Tofu, what is it called again? Tofu The Corgi. Now, this channel over on YouTube, if I scroll down here, you can see, look, in the last 30 days, it's had 2.35 million views. And that, interestingly enough, is down 70% from the previous 28 days. So, they're getting ridiculous amounts of views over on the channel. You can see the current views so far today, views yesterday, etc, etc. So, how can we make money with this? Well, it doesn't matter whether we're looking at funny cat videos, whether we're looking at dogs, whether we're looking at gaming videos or anything like that. The whole concept is very simple, and I'm going to walk you through this whole process in today's video. So if we come back over here, and we go with funny cats as an example, okay? So decide on a category or a niche. Once we've decided on that category and niche, the next step is we go ahead and we find what is known as an affiliate product that we can promote and share, basically. And all that means is we're not being salesy or sleazy or messaging people. We're just simply putting a really short link in a YouTube description, in a YouTube comment box, or you can even take these videos and put them on TikTok or Instagram Reels as well. So decide on a category. So in this example, we're going to go with cats. Step 2 is find an affiliate product. So for this example, we'll use ClickBank. Now over on ClickBank, you can see here, we just create an account for free. We then come up to the marketplace, and I've just typed in up here, as you can see, cats. And if I scroll down here, you can see, look, cat spraying, no more. Brand new with a 16.2% conversion. So basically, you can potentially earn $25.71 for every person who clicks on that link. So if I click on here, we'll open up the sales page. So basically, where we'll be sending people to when they click on your link. This is, let me just click on no thanks, scroll down. So this is the sales page. Anyone clicks on here, then guess what? We earn an affiliate commission. Straightforward and simple. So let me close that out. And if I wanted to promote this product here, I simply click on promote, okay? And then you can see up here, look, you earn 75% commission. So we click on generate hop link. And now we've got an affiliate link, okay? So we've got a category, which is cats. We've got a product to promote, which is this one. And look, you can get, you could go through and, get a few more on here. You can see there's hundreds of them over on here. So you can get a number of affiliate products. The next step of this whole process is we need videos. Now you can do this in a number of ways. and I'll share with you, some examples, and I'll share with you a time-saving method, but I'll share with you some examples. So you can come onto YouTube and you can type in funny cat. Let's go with videos for now, videos. Okay, so you can do this, and then you can go over here to filters, and then you can go to Creative Commons. And look, as I've mentioned, this isn't the quick way, this is just a free method that you can use, but it does work. So we filter the videos to Creative Commons, which basically means you can go ahead and use parts of that video. So you see this one here, or this one, you can go into this and it's Creative Commons, which means you can go ahead and use parts of that video. And you can see on here, they're probably doing this themselves, because looking at this, it's a number of clips which have been put together. So once you've filtered this to Creative Commons, you then download these videos, and you can use free sites. You can go over here and you can just type in I can't remember the name of it. It's let's just type in YouTube let me get rid of that. Let's type in YouTube video download. Okay, so we come over to a website like this one. I can't remember the name. I think it's y2.pro, something like that. So we come over here onto Google. It's Y2Mate, and literally you can download any YouTube video on here. Once you've downloaded that video, you then need to edit it and take out little bits that you want to use. So again, you can use free software for this. So just go on Google and type in free video software, and it'll bring up hundreds of these. You can see on here we've got this one, 3 video editing. So there's hundreds of free. OpenShot's pretty much one of the more popular ones, and it's a drag and drop interface. So if I click on consent, I'll scroll down, I'll show you this really quickly. Where's the example video? Is it back at the top? Yeah, here. So we download a video and then we just upload it onto here and edit out any parts we don't want. Simple, but time consuming. The other method, what you could do with this OpenShot, is you can go onto, let's come over here. Let's just go, you can simply go online and type in free video stock footage. Okay, again, simple, straightforward and free. So you can come into any of these free websites. We have got Pexels, Pixabay and many more. So you just search for videos related to your niche. So we're just going to type in cat videos and hit on enter. And look on here, look, we can download this for free, and we can include this in a video. We've got one over here, and literally you can scroll through the website and you'll find, most of the time, hundreds of videos related to your search term, and they're all free. So you can download them, make some edits over here in this piece of software, this OpenShot, and then we upload it onto YouTube. So it will take a bit of time, but it's free. Now the method I use is this one over here, and again it's free. It's this one, which is called InVideo. And funnily enough, they've got a funny cat on here. So we want to click on. You can do this in a number of ways. You can go with pre-made templates. You can start from blank, or you can just simply type in text to video. It's entirely it's entirely up to you what you do with this. But let's just go with text to video. Now, because this is a YouTube short, we want the vertical format, like so. So we click on there, and then we're just going to scroll down and find a template that we're going to use for our YouTube short video. So let's just, that's gone on there. So we scroll down in a second and we can see we've got story templates here. We've got this one over here. We'll go further on the page. We've also got, there's hundreds of these templates that you can use, and bearing in mind, they're all editable. So you can edit any part of this. So let's just go back up here. So we will pick one. Let's just go, let's find one we can use. I'll tell you what, let's just go with this one. We'll click on this one and we'll click on use this template. Okay. Now, inside of here, you have a few options, but what you've got to remember is this AI technology. So any keywords or any words that we type in here, this software will create the video for us. Okay, so we're just going to type in add a headline. So I'm just going to type in funny cat. Let's type in funny cats, that will do. Now you see here where it says add a story. So anything I type in here, it will try and find videos and images related to this here. So let's just say, again, I'm just going to go with funny cats having fun. that'll do for now, and leave it on auto suggest images, and I click. In fact, what I'm also going to do is I'm just going to do this as well. Click the link in the description, because obviously we don't want to be creating videos and we're not prompting people to check out, the link down below, which we're an affiliate for. So we click on here, and it takes, it doesn't take long to create a video for us. And as I've mentioned, this is just a template, so we can edit any part of this. So you can see this is currently how this looks, okay? So I'm going to click on Advanced Editor, and basically it's just reloading it, but it's taking me into an editor with more options. So inside of here now, this is how our video looks at this moment in time, and this is perfect for YouTube Shorts, okay? So you see this box here. If you want this at the top up here, you can move it at the top. You can move it to the you can move it around wherever you like, basically. So we'll leave that up here. If I don't want that logo there, I'm just going to click on there and remove that. So we've now got this. If I don't like, how big the text box is, I can, make it bigger or smaller. I can change the color, the font size, etc. So at this moment in time, if I just drag this over here and click on play, and then it goes into this slide here. So, if I didn't like that image or that video, what do? Well, I'm not downloading and dragging things. I just come over here where it says search videos, and I type in funny cats. And then I click on enter, and it's going to go and look for any videos related to this keyword over here. So like this one here, for example, if I want this one here, I can just click on this. And then look, do I want to trim it? Do I want to use the full video? Well, no, I don't. I'll just click trim video to fit the scene. Click on done. And then it goes over here for us. So you now see our video is over here. So let me just go ahead and get rid of that one there in the background. And now this here is that image or that video that we've selected. Okay. So I'm just going to drag this like so. Move it across to wherever you want it. And basically, this is the process. So all we're doing here is, so this over here was slide 1, this over here is slide 2, and then it goes into slide 3. Okay, sorry. Click the link in the description. So what I'm saying here is any video that we're putting onto YouTube, especially with affiliate marketing where we can earn money from doing so, I wouldn't just go with something generic like funny cat videos. As we saw over on ClickBank, the product was how to stop cat, I think it was cat spray, wasn't it? So we would create a video for something like 4 simple ways to stop a cat spraying at home. And then the video would be created, and then on the end slide here we would say click the link in the description to get our best product or our recommended product to stop a cat spraying, or stop I don't know what cats do, but whatever you want to stop them doing, you would have a link to this. Once this video is done, you click on download and share. Once this video has been downloaded, we then go over to YouTube and we upload this video onto YouTube Shorts, and we include our affiliate link in the description. Pretty straightforward and simple, and it doesn't take long. Now here's the cool thing. These videos here, not only can you use them on YouTube Shorts, you can also put that same video with everything the same onto TikTok, and then you can take that same video and put it onto Instagram Reels. And if you wanted, you could go and put it onto Pinterest, you could put it on Facebook, and many more places, because you've spent the time creating this this masterpiece with an affiliate link to a product. Why wouldn't you put it on more platforms? So the whole process is straightforward. So if we recap, we decide on a category or a niche, we find a product to promote, we then use this piece of software over here to create the video, which, as you've seen, is straightforward and simple. We then include this here, what is known as a call to action, at the end of the video, and then we upload it onto multiple platforms, and yeah, that is the whole process from start to finish. Now there's other ways that you can monetize these videos. You could go over to platforms like, let's go over to Teespring. Let's go over to Teespring. This one over here. Oh, not teeth cleaning, Teespring. You can come over here, and on this platform here, this is known as merch, and basically what happens here is you can take an image or a logo or just text, and you can put that on the top of a t-shirt, as you can see here, on a cap, a bag, what's that, a rucksack. And I mean, look at this here, pause. So someone has literally got an image and they've put the text on here. And if I just click on this, you'll see how simple this process is. You just go over to Teespring, create an account for free, and you see, like, if I come over here, click on the t-shirt, basically all you do is you upload your image as they've done here, and literally it goes on the top of a t-shirt. And then you see all of these options here. This Teespring company, they do it all for you. So you come on here, create an account for free. In this example, would be doing cats. So let me go back. Let me see if I can find one with cats. And basically, whatever the price is on here, that is how much the end buyer pays for this. But you, the owner of the shop, or the t-shirt, etc., you can actually earn money for doing so, because this company over here, this Teespring, as you can see on here, look, it's a simple solution for creating and selling products that basically it's no cost to you, it's no hassle and no risk. All you're doing is uploading designs or templates onto t-shirts and other items, and then you can earn money for doing so. So I think, from memory, I think you can earn, I think it's about 20%, but I mean, just double check that, because it's been a while since I went ahead and did one of these myself. But you can go, let me look at this one here, Brutal Kittens. Let's have a look at this. We'll come into this shop here and have a look at this. So scroll down, look, unisex t-shirts, women's t-shirts, tank tops, and lots more. And all they're doing here is, as I've mentioned, they're just uploading an image over the top of a t-shirt. You can see here, when you hover over it, it just moves. So that is another way that you can monetize these YouTube shorts. Now, this method, it works in any category or in any niche. So overall, it's a pretty straightforward process. And if you want to learn more about this, about, earning money on YouTube with shorts, affiliate marketing, and lots more, there's a link down below. It will take you over to the sales page for this product here. This is my own online course about earning essentially a passive income on YouTube. It will show you everything that you need to know, including, the basics, start properly, keyword research, creating your channel, and lots more. I even share with you how to, if I show you here, how to get a YouTube channel monetized in less than 2 weeks, how to rank videos, additional income streams, and lots more. So there'll be a link to that down below for you. And if you go over to my website on the screen now and click on YouTube, you will find hundreds. You'll find lots of articles about, how to make money on YouTube, how to grow a channel, how to, get more subscribers, get more views, and lots more. But that's today's video. I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you've got any comments or questions, let me know. But either way, creating short video formats, whether you're uploading them onto YouTube or TikTok or any platform, it's a simple and an easy way to start making money online. All it will take is a little bit of time and effort. And if we're using platforms like this InVideo over here, it just speeds up the entire process. So thanks again. If you've got any questions, let me know down below. But have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.